Okay, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set up your own web server. So to get started, type the following command: dnf install httpd mysql server php and phpMyAdmin, and press enter. And yes, this process may take some time depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you will need to start the Apache web server and database server by typing service httpd mariadb, and don't forget to put the single quotes, and then type start and press enter. Now, to make sure the services are running, use status at the end instead of start, and you can see the services are active and running. At this point, you can access the server by knowing your local IP address. So I will type ifconfig to see the IP address. Now I will open the Midori browser and type my local IP. And here you can see a test page, which means that the web server is working properly. And if you want to add different content to this page, you will need to go to /var/www/html directory. So let's go back to the terminal and type cd/var/www/html. Now here I will create a HTML file using nano and put index.html for the name. And type this is my web server using the h1 tag. And don't forget to save the file. Okay, now let's go back to the web browser and refresh the web page. And you can see everything is working fine for the moment. Now, if you want to let other computers from the network to connect to the web server, you will need to add the HTTP service in the firewall. So I will go to the terminal and type the following commands: firewall cmd --add -service equal http --permanent, and press enter, and then type firewall cmd --reload. Now to check the server, I will switch to my Windows machine, which is on the same network, and open up Firefox and type the IP address. And you can see the server is running fine in the network. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.